This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by building a sturdy base so the panda keeps its shape. Use 6 bands twisted into a tight circular knot. This becomes the belly. Next, stack rows of 12-18 bands around that core, adding bands evenly to form a rounded torso. As you work, pull gently but firmly so loops stay aligned. This prevents gaps. Once done, secure the base with a C-clip. Make sure the clip locks through both loops for a durable foundation. Now you craft the head and features. Create a concentric beehive of bands, smaller rows as you approach the top to get a spherical head. Attach 2 6-band ear clusters on either side, folding and linking them so they sit upright. For facial contrast, insert black bands as eye patches before closing the head. This locks color into place. Use a single small black bundle for the nose and 1 or 2 bands to hint a mouth. Once attached, blend head to body evenly with 4-6 linking bands. Finish by connecting head and body with 4-6 sturdy bands. Weave them through matching loops so the join is invisible and secure. Check symmetry. Adjust ear angle and eye patch alignment by sliding bands slightly. This cleans the silhouette. If edges gape, insert single bands under tension to draw gaps closed. Troubleshooting. If a band snaps or the panda droops, replace the failed band and add an extra connector band. This increases strength without changing shape. Then clip closed and smooth the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.